Hi friends, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to register for NatWest Bank online banking. First of all, go to the Google, search on the Google NatWest Bank online banking and you will find the official website of the NatWest. You just need to open the online banking link, tap on it and wait for a while. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. Now scroll down your screen and you will find here the option sign up here, so we need to tap on this. As we can see here, set up online banking application has been opened successfully. We need to scroll down our screen and wait for a while, and as we can see here, they are asking what type of customer are you. Please select one of following this. So I am going to select a personal customer, so I am going to select it. And if you are using the business ID, then you can select the business. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. So now they are asking you to please enter your first name here, then your middle name and your last name. If you don't have any middle name, then you can leave it blank. So now you have to enter your DUB, date of birth, and after entering your date of birth, you need to enter your home postal code. Please fill all the details carefully, and after filling all the details, you need to tap on the next button. Now friends, I hide my all details due to privacy issue. They are asking you to enter your sort code here and then enter your account number and scroll down your screen, enter your debit card number. This is the 16-digit debit card number front of your debit card. Enter here and enter expiry date. After filling all the details, you need to tap on the next icon at here. So this is your customer number and you will find the OTP on this number, and you need to select check mark on this icon and scroll down, and no, I don't have my PIN and password, I am not registered. So select this icon and then tap on the next icon. So now they are asking to confirm your mobile number. So confirm your mobile number. Yes, my mobile number is correct, and then tap on the next icon. Friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button. So as we can see here, enter your activation code. You will find on your mobile number, and after entering your activation code, you need to tap on the next icon. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Now as we can see here, create your login details. So choose your online banking pin. So choose your online banking pin first of all, and then after you need to confirm it again, and we need to create a password. So create your password at here and confirm your password at here. So scroll down your screen. So after scrolling down your screen, you will find here the next button. So tap on this. Please review your personal offer preference. So friends, this is the completely your choice. Personally, I don't want any offer, so I am going to select it, and then I need to tap on the next icon. So welcome to the online banking. What you can see and do here, as we can see here, and next step are mentioned here. There are few things that you won't be able to do straight away as they need to additional security. So we have automatically sent you a card reader which will allow you to do these things. Friends, card reader is mandatory for the full-fledged transactions, and you will receive your card reader in 3 to 5 working days. So after this, you need to tap on the next icon. Your card reader has been ordered successfully. Now you can go to your account and you can use your login details. To log in your online banking, you need to go to the first phase again and select the online banking, and then here is the option of the login. So we need to tap on this icon and wait for a while until page loads, and scroll down your screen and you will find here the customer number. You can enter your customer number here, and also you can use your card number at here, and after entering all the details, you need to tap on the continue, enter your password, and you can log into your online banking. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.